there. Today is Tuesday, December the 8th, and we have gone over that in our morning meeting. But today in math, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things ever, patterns. Can you all repeat this after me? Listen for a second, and then I'm going to have you repeat something. Patterns is anything that repeats. Can you all say that? Patterns are anything that repeats. Oh, so a pattern is something that goes over and over and over and over and over again. So it could be like this. Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. Do you see how that is a pattern? It's something that repeats. Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, over and over and over and over and over again, forever and ever and ever. It can be anything that repeats. It could be like ice cream sundae, ice cream sundae, ice cream sundae, ice cream cookie, ice cream cookie, ice cream cookie. Anything that repeats over and over and over and over and over again is a pattern. And today we're going to be talking about shape patterns. So in this pattern, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. That's a pattern. So what would come next? That's a key word. Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. What would come next? If you said a rectangle, you are correct. A rectangle would come next in that pattern. But something important, you can tell us what the pattern is, but the pattern rule is the thing that's repeated over and over and over again. So if it goes rectangle, circle, the pattern rule is rectangle, then circle. So this is the rule. This is what is repeated over and over and over again. This. So you put this and you can put it over here. Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. Just like that. That's the pattern rule, the thing that is repeated. This whole thing is the pattern, but this part is the pattern rule. So I'm going to ask you this. What if I put in green rectangle, blue rectangle, circle? Green rectangle, blue rectangle, circle. Green rectangle, blue rectangle, circle. Do you see how I did that? So that is the pattern, but this part is the pattern rule. Green rectangle, blue rectangle, circle. What would come next? Green rectangle, blue rectangle, circle. That's the pattern rule. That's what's telling you. That's what's the rule. That's what the pattern is. That's what's coming next. But this whole thing together is called the shape pattern. Everything together. So this is the shape pattern, but this part is the part that's repeated over and over and over again. That's called the pattern rule. So on your paper, looks like this. We start right here with number 1. It starts, we can say it out loud. It sometimes helps me to say it out loud. Triangle, square. Triangle, square. Triangle, square. Which one comes next, the triangle or the square? Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. If you said triangle, you are correct. So circle that triangle. The pattern rule is this underlined part right here. Triangle, square, triangle, square. Over and over and over again. That's the pattern rule. That's what you have to follow. Triangle, square. So what I'd like for you to do is I would like for you to maybe draw a pattern at the top. See up at the top how this is? Maybe you could draw one so that you would know what a pattern is. It could be flower, circle, heart, square, over and over and over again. Patterns are so much fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to do these pages and you're going to use your brain and you're going to tell what the patterns are. But before we are, I want you to rub your brain as we say this. Patterns are anything repeated. Everyone say that. Patterns are anything repeated over and over and over again. Patterns are anything repeated. So it could be anything. It doesn't have to be shapes. But today, we're going to talk about shapes that are repeated over and over and over again. Hope you have fun.